Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the slow performance of your Windows after an update. So this is a usual case of our Windows that after we have updated it, this will cause or this will start having slow performance. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. Click on the start button and then you have to click on the settings icon. Now, if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can always search for that in the Windows search bar. Click on that. Here in the list of options in the left pane, you have to click on System. Scroll down and you will find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Then here you will find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue, and will also automatically fix the issue for you. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. So try in this. Next method, right click at the start button and here we have the select file explorer. Now we have to click on this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Now here we need to simply scroll down and look for the Windows folder, double click. Scroll down and look for the software distribution folder, double click. And here you'll find downloads. So once our Windows has been updated, this will have this temporary files in here in our downloads, which are not required. So we need to delete all of this. Just need to simply press one file and then Control plus A on keyboard to select all the items. Then you have to press the Shift and Delete keys on your keyboard to permanently delete it. Okay? Now once done, close this. For the next method, we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Now you'll find disk cleanup under the best match. Simply click on that. We need to click on OK for the Windows C drive. Now here in this small window, you just need to simply select all of these options one by one. The total amount of disk space will also be stated from here. So I will be gaining 9.14 MB. But in your case, this could be greater. Anyway, you just have to click on OK and click on delete files and wait for the process to be done. Now once done, then you just need to simply go ahead in the Windows search bar for the next method, and here we need to type Task Manager. Now you will find the Task Manager under the best match. You just need to click on that. Now maximize the Task Manager window. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find Startup Apps. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. So these programs are the programs that will automatically start whenever you sign in into your Windows if these are enabled. So what you can do if this is unnecessary, make a right click and then select disable. So almost all of my unnecessary startup programs has been disabled already. Not for the important ones, which is the security, health system, tray, and the audio service. So for those important startup programs, do not disable that. Now once done, close this. We can also perform the system file checker scan to fix and check for all system corrupted files that might also cause the slow performance of your Windows. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Now you have to click on Run as Administrator on the right pane to open the command prompt with administrative rights. Now type in here SFC space / scannow. It's SFC space / scannow. Now, once you have entered that command, once you have typed that command, hit enter. So this process will take some time. The verification process will begin, and there is no specific duration for this, so you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is completed, you just need to close out of here. Finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, the slow performance of your Windows will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.